Hello, if you're wondering if you can pay with Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, then the answer is yes. And all you need to do in order to be able to pay with your smartphone, you want to go to the settings, and then in connection settings, you want to make sure that NFC and contactless payments is actually enabled. You want to tap on the switcher if it's off. Another thing is that you need to have the wallet app, the Google Wallet app. By default, it is not installed on this smartphone, so you might need to go to the Play Store and search for wallet, and you want to install this app over here. Once you do, you want to open it, and you want to press Add to Wallet and choose Payment Card. After that, you can scan your credit or debit card and add it to your smartphone. You can also press or enter details manually in order to fill everything in, and then scroll all the way down and press save and continue. And later on in the store, when you want to pay with your smartphone, once again you want to make sure that NFC is actually enabled and you want your device to be unlocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!